The need to be able to move your WhatsApp data between devices has become very prevalent over the course of the years, especially now that people have been upgrading their devices more and more frequently, whether it is every 2 years or even every year in some cases. And if you're an avid WhatsApp user, then you have definitely found yourself having to make these transfers, but it really does seem to be more complicated than it should be a lot of the time. That's why in today's video, we're going to be going over some of the easiest methods for transferring your WhatsApp data, especially when you're moving your data from one iPhone to another one. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare MobileTrans channel. My name is Francisco, and today we will be talking about the best and easiest to maneuver methods for transferring your WhatsApp data between iPhones. More specifically, 4 different methods. So I'm going to be leaving timestamps right here on screen, as you should be seeing them, that you can just go ahead and use to skip to the method that you would like to attempt first. However, if you're not sure which one you would prefer to attempt, then just stick around for the video, because I will walk you through each and every single one of these methods. So please make sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like and hit the notification bell, because we've got lots of new content coming very soon as well. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. The MobileTrans WhatsApp Transfer Method. Wondershare MobileTrans is an exceptional tool for transferring WhatsApp data between devices, making the process seamless and efficient. Utilizing the WhatsApp transfer method, MobileTrans allows users to move chats, photos, videos, and other crucial data from one phone to another with just a few clicks. This feature is particularly useful for those switching to a new iPhone or Android device, ensuring that no important conversations or media are lost during this transition. This user-friendly interface and clear step-by-step guidance provided by MobileTrans on screen as you're going to be going through it makes it extremely accessible even for those who are not very tech-savvy. Additionally, it provides multiple platforms, providing flexibility and convenience. Overall, MobileTrans stands out as a reliable solution for hassle-free WhatsApp data transfer, saving time and effort for its users. Now, this is the main method that we would recommend because it is the easiest and most straightforward method that does not require a device to be factory reset or anything of the sort. Now let's go ahead and move on to the steps using this software to transfer your WhatsApp data between iPhones. First, go to the MobileTrans website by clicking on the link in the description and download the software. Install it on your PC by following the on-screen instructions. Open the MobileTrans software on your PC from there. Use USB cables to connect both the source iPhone, the one with the WhatsApp data, or the old iPhone, and the destination iPhone, the one you want to transfer the data to, or your new iPhone to your PC. On the main interface of MobileTrans, select the WhatsApp transfer option. Under the WhatsApp transfer section, select Transfer WhatsApp Messages to initiate the process. Do ensure that the source iPhone is correctly identified as the source device and the destination iPhone is identified as the destination device. So make sure, for example, that your old iPhone is the first one on the list and that the new iPhone is the second one on this screen. If they are not correctly assigned, just use the flip button to switch their positions and make sure that it is all organized correctly. Click on the start button to begin transferring WhatsApp data from the source iPhone to the destination iPhone. Wait for the process to complete. Now, this might take a few minutes depending on the amount of data being transferred and moved between devices. During the transfer, follow any additional on-screen instructions that may show up on screen over here on MobileTrans to ensure a smooth transfer process. Once the transfer is finally completed, you will receive a notification on the MobileTrans interface. You can now safely disconnect both iPhones from the PC and enjoy using WhatsApp on your new device with all of your data. Part 2. Transfer WhatsApp through iCloud backup feature. iCloud is super handy for Apple users, making iCloud storage and syncing across devices a breeze. It's especially useful for backing up and restoring WhatsApp messages, keeping your chats, photos, and media safe and easy to get to. With iCloud, you can keep all of your WhatsApp history intact when you switch devices or reinstall the app, so you never lose important info. Thanks to iCloud's solid storage and seamless integration with iOS, it is a reliable go-to for data security and convenience. Plus, it automatically backs up your WhatsApp data regularly, ensuring that you always have a recent copy of your conversations for smooth and stress-free restoration. Now, it is worth noting that this method will really only work if you're setting up a new iPhone and are still in the setup page, where we'll ask you if you want to restore your device from a previous backup that includes all of your WhatsApp WhatsApp data, by the way. So essentially, you have to back up your entire device first, including your WhatsApp data, and then restore everything back onto your new device. With that said, let's go ahead and talk about the steps to doing just that. Now, first things first, we have to back up our data with iCloud. So go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID, and then select iCloud. Assuming that you already have enough storage on your iCloud, select iCloud Backup, and then select Backup Now to initiate a full backup of your device. Once this is done, just exit your device. Now, on your new iPhone, during the initial setup process, continue to set up your device until it asks you to choose a method of restoration. You will select Restore from iCloud Backup. From here, choose the latest backup or the only one available if you only have the one. You will be asked to log in with your Apple ID as well. Then just wait for your data to finish being restored. Once it is done, you will have all of your data back on your new phone, which will include all of your WhatsApp data. Part 3. Transfer WhatsApp through WhatsApp Transfer feature. Transferring your WhatsApp data using the Transfer to iPhone feature is incredibly useful for ensuring that your chat history, photos, videos, and other important messages are seamlessly moved to your new device. This feature simplifies the transition process, and it is going to allow you to pick up right where you left off without losing any vital information or memories. It ensures continuity in communication and maintains the integrity of your conversations, which is especially important for both personal and professional interactions. The ability to transfer data efficiently and securely provides peace of mind knowing that all of your WhatsApp content is preserved and accessible on your new iPhone. This streamlined process enhances user experience and minimizes the hassle often associated with switching devices. Now, here are the steps to transferring your WhatsApp data between iPhones using this feature. Make sure that both devices are already set up and that they have WhatsApp installed. In WhatsApp on your old phone, go to your settings, then select Chats. From there, you just have to click on Transfer to iPhone. From there, select Start. Then it will give you the opportunity to scan a QR code. Now, on your new iPhone, log into WhatsApp using the same phone number. From here, it will show you a QR code for you to scan with your old iPhone. Once you've scanned the QR code, the data transfer will begin between these devices. From here, you should have a mirror image of your WhatsApp on your new device once it is finished. Part 4. Transfer WhatsApp through WhatsApp Backup feature. Now, this method will allow you to back up only your WhatsApp messages with iCloud to then restore them later if needed. Using the chat backup to iCloud feature within the WhatsApp application is incredibly helpful for ensuring that your conversations and media are securely saved and easily accessible. It provides peace of mind knowing that even if you switch devices or encounter unexpected data loss, your chat history remains intact. This feature simplifies the process of transferring your data to a new phone or restoring it after a reset, saving time and effort. Additionally, it allows you to free up space on your device by storing large media files in the cloud, which will optimize your phone's storage capacity. Overall, using this feature enhances convenience and reliability when it comes to managing your WhatsApp data seamlessly. Now, here are the steps to doing just that. First, open WhatsApp, then access the settings menu. From there, select Chats, then Chat Backup, then select Backup Now. It should already recognize your iCloud account and available storage. Once the backup is finished, which it should take a while naturally, it will be shown to you on your screen. Then to restore the chats on your new device, access WhatsApp and log in with your phone number. Then select Restore Chat History. It should already allow you to do this with iCloud from here, as long as you are already logged into your iCloud account. So then just wait for it to finish, and once done, it will be shown to you here as well. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up until the very end. If you liked this video, then please make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your questions and thoughts down in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.